Best foldable drones. Are you looking for the best foldable drones? In this video we will look at 5 of the best foldable drones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. The 1080p HD FPV foldable drone is a user-friendly quadcopter designed for beginners and kids, offering a blend of performance and ease of use. Its 1080p HD camera delivers decent aerial photography and live video feeds through FPV, first-person view, enhancing the flying experience. The foldable design and included carrying case ensure portability and convenience, making it ideal for travel or outdoor activities. Key features include voice and gesture control, allowing pilots to command the drone hands-free or capture photos and videos with simple gestures. The one-key takeoff and landing feature simplifies operation, making it accessible even for first-time users. Its optical flow positioning enhances flight stability by maintaining the drone's position during hovering, aiding in capturing clearer images and videos. The drone offers exciting capabilities like 360 degrees flips for aerial stunts and a waypoint fly mode, where users can draw a flight path on their smartphone app for the drone to follow. This interactive feature enhances the flying experience and adds a playful element for kids and beginners. With durable construction and intuitive controls, the drone is well suited for learning the basics of drone piloting. Its combination of safety features, including propeller guards, makes it a safe choice for young users. Additionally, its lightweight frame ensures compliance with most regulatory requirements, eliminating the need for registration in many regions. In summary, the 1080p HD FPV foldable drone is a versatile and affordable choice for those looking to explore drone flying. It combines essential features like HD video, portability, and interactive controls, offering an excellent entry point into the world of drones for both kids and beginners. Number 2. The Mini Drone with Camera 1080p FPV is a compact and versatile drone designed for both adults and kids. Its 1080p FPV camera delivers clear aerial footage and a real-time viewing experience via a smartphone app, complemented by a 90 degrees adjustable lens for versatile shooting angles. The drone's foldable design makes it portable and easy to store, while the inclusion of 2 batteries ensures extended flight time, allowing users to enjoy longer sessions. Key features include stable altitude hold, which maintains a steady hover for better control and smoother video recording, and gravity control, enabling users to steer the drone by tilting their smartphone. These features make it user-friendly for beginners and fun for more experienced pilots. The drone also supports trajectory flight, allowing users to draw a custom flight path on the app for the drone to follow, adding an interactive element to its operation. With a one-key takeoff/landing function, flying the drone is straightforward, even for first-time users. This mini drone combines functionality with durability, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. It is equipped with propeller guards for safety, making it ideal for kids and beginners who are still learning the basics of drone operation. The compact size also means it complies with most regulatory requirements without the need for registration. In summary, the Mini Drone with Camera 1080p FPV is a practical, fun, and beginner-friendly option for anyone interested in drones. Its stable controls, adjustable camera, and interactive features like trajectory flight make it an excellent choice for capturing aerial footage or simply enjoying the thrill of piloting. The dual batteries and portable design add convenience, making it perfect for on-the-go use. Number 3. The drone with Camera 2K FPV is a powerful yet user-friendly option for beginners and kids, delivering impressive features in a compact and foldable design. Its 2K HD camera provides high-quality aerial footage with FPV capabilities, allowing users to view real-time video on their smartphones. The drone's brushless motor ensures smoother performance, greater efficiency, and quieter operation compared to brushed alternatives. Equipped with altitude hold, the drone can hover steadily, making it easier for users to capture clear images and videos. The gesture selfie feature adds a fun, interactive element by enabling users to snap photos or start recording with simple hand gestures. Additionally, the one-key takeoff/landing function simplifies operation, ensuring an easy start and finish to flights, ideal for beginners. For an added layer of fun, the drone supports 3D flips for aerial stunts and a waypoint fly mode, which lets users draw a custom flight path on the app for the drone to follow. The inclusion of 2 batteries ensures longer flight sessions, giving users ample time to explore its features. This mini drone's foldable design makes it portable and easy to carry, while its durable build ensures longevity even with regular use. Its safety features, like propeller guards, make it a suitable choice for kids and first-time pilots. In summary, the drone with camera 2K FPV combines advanced features like a high-resolution camera, brushless motor, and interactive controls with beginner-friendly functionality. Whether for capturing stunning aerial shots or enjoying the thrill of flying, this drone offers excellent value. The long battery life, foldable design, and ease of use make it a versatile and reliable option for hobbyists and learners alike. Number 4. The drone with 1080p camera for beginners and kids is a fun and user-friendly quadcopter designed for easy operation and entertainment. Its 1080p camera allows for decent quality aerial photos and videos, with live FPV streaming to a connected device. The foldable design enhances portability, making it convenient to carry for outdoor activities. This drone is packed with features that make it ideal for beginners and young users. The voice control function lets users operate the drone hands-free with simple commands, while the gesture selfie feature enables capturing photos or videos with hand movements. Its altitude hold capability ensures stable hovering for smoother footage and easier control. The drone is equipped with one-key start/landing, simplifying takeoffs and landings for first-time pilots. For added excitement, it includes 3D flips, allowing users to perform aerial stunts with a single button press. The inclusion of 2 batteries ensures extended playtime, doubling the flying fun. Designed as a safe and engaging toy for kids, it features a durable build and propeller guards, minimizing the risk of damage during use. The compact size makes it suitable for indoor and outdoor use, catering to diverse flying environments. In summary, the drone with 1080p camera is a versatile and beginner-friendly option for kids and first-time drone enthusiasts. With features like voice control, gesture selfies, stable altitude hold, and thrilling 3D flips, it combines functionality with fun. The foldable design and long battery life further enhance its appeal, making it an excellent gift or learning tool for boys and girls exploring the world of drones. Number 5. The mini drone with camera 1080p HD FPV is a compact and feature-rich drone designed for beginners and adults, offering an enjoyable flying experience with user-friendly controls. Its 1080p HD camera delivers clear aerial photos and videos, with a 90 degrees adjustable lens for versatile shooting angles. The inclusion of FPV capability allows real-time video transmission to a connected smartphone, enhancing the immersive experience. This foldable drone is easy to carry and store, with a carrying case included for added convenience. It comes with 2 batteries, providing extended flight time for uninterrupted fun. Features like one-key takeoff/landing and altitude hold make it beginner-friendly, ensuring stable hovering and smooth operation for capturing better visuals. The drone is capable of performing 360 degrees flips, adding an exciting stunt element to its capabilities. Its compact and durable design makes it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use, while its intuitive controls cater to users of all skill levels. Ideal as a toy or gift, this mini drone combines fun and functionality. It's a perfect choice for beginners looking to explore the world of drones or for adults seeking a lightweight, portable quadcopter for casual flying and photography. In summary, the mini drone with camera 1080p HD FPV is a practical and entertaining choice for anyone interested in drones. Its high-definition camera, adjustable lens, foldable design, and beginner-friendly features make it a versatile option for various users. The additional battery and carrying case further enhance its usability, making it a great gift or starter drone for adults and beginners.